The question is describes the role of data in governance of India and also state various challenges in this regard and suggest remedial measures. Economic Survey 2019-20 has rightly mentioned the need of centralized database and called for data of the people, by the people, for the people in ensuring good governance. So Economic Survey 2019-20 has rightly mentioned the need for centralized database and call for the data of the people, by the people, for the people in ensuring good governance. So बात करें what is the role of data in governance. That is identifying beneficiary, that is dot on poverty status, so you can identify beneficiary. Then guides right decision making based on need, data on complaint of sexual harassment of National Crime Record Bureau, stimulate decision on or gender empowerment. Then mentioning of the scheme through the study of outcome, mentioning of the scheme through the study of monitoring of the scheme through the study of outcomes possible. So data होगा तो you can monitor the scheme through the study of outcomes. Objective view of ground situation. So once you have a data, you can have objective view of ground situation. Then better targeting. You have data, so you can better target. So what are the challenges? Might be used for surveillance. So data है, government can use it for surveillance. Threat to the right to privacy under Article 21 से Puttaswamy judgment. No data protection law in India. There is no proper data protection law in India. Then India is vulnerable to cyber attack. For example, Pegasus attack, D-Track malware in Kundamkulam plant, D-Track malware attack in Kundamkulam plant. Then what are remedial measures? So data protection led as suggested by B.N. Krishna committee. So data protection act as suggested by B.N. Krishna committee. Then integration of database across members. Integration of database across members. Economic Survey 2019 बोला we have to integrate database across ministries. So integrate कर देंगे across ministry, तो अच्छे से डेटा मिलेगा. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ डेटाबेस अक्रॉस मिनिस्ट्री. फिर रॉबस्ट साइबर सिक्योरिटी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर चाहिए. फिर नॉन पर्सनलाइज डेटा मस्ट बी लेवरेज. तो नॉन पर्सनलाइज डेटा को यूज़ करना चाहिए जो किसी का पर्सनल इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं बताती है. नॉन पर्सनलाइज डेटा मस्ट बी लेवरेज. ये बोला है हमारा कायर गोपाल कृष्ण कमेटी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऐसा डेटा जिससे सपोज पता चलता हो कि इतने लोग यहाँ पे जूते पसंद करते हैं, तो ये नॉन पर्सनलाइज डेटा, आप किसी पर्सनल की इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं बता रहे, आप जनरल इन्फॉर्मेशन बता रहे हो, तो उसको लेवरेज कर सकते हो. ये बोला है हमारा गाइस गोपाल कृष्ण कमेटी. एंड डेटा कैन गिव अ फिलिप टू द गुड एंड ट्रांसपेरेंट गवर्नेंस इफ़ यूज रैशनैलिटी, इफ़ यूज कॉशियली. तो डेटा कैन गिव अ फिलिप टू द गुड एंड ट्रांसपेरेंट गवर्नेंस इफ़ यूज rationally, cautiously. So data can give fillip to good and transparent governance if used cautiously.